My name is Justin, and I made a combination lock safe. There was 2 versions of it until making the final version, which is right here. So here's how it works. You can just plug it into the wall. You have to get the code correct, but let's see what happens when it's not correct. And when you get the code correct, oh, that's not correct. That's correct.
And you can open it up.
And
all right, let's take a look at what's inside it.
Everything's attached to here. So,
okay.
The power from this thing, which is the combination.
Now, where'd you get that piece?
Oh, I didn't. I got it from my grandpa who lives in Florida.
Okay.
He has a lot of stuff like old capacitors and old resistors and stuff. So the power goes for this combination safe, and if it's correct, it goes for all switches into the circuit board. And this button, this is the controls the LEDs here. So, and this capacitor is for because the red LED kept blinking when the green LED was correct. And it's not supposed to do that, so
The problem solving
the
there?
capacitor slows it down, so by the time it gets here, it doesn't do anything.
Okay.
And this solenoid here is the same one I use on the old safe here. Same with the power strip here. I recycled that too.
Well, they're usually interactive.
And that's pretty much it.
So, what is your favorite part of your upgraded safe?
Probably this combination lock thing.
The combination lock thing?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. It's like a bunch of different switches in one, and there's something like 1,000 combinations or something. So, it's pretty cool.
All right, very good. So, do you have an idea of what you want to make next?
I don't know yet. I'll just have to keep thinking.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin.